Creating an electronically fillable information retrieval template is easy with Signature. With an intuitive drag-and-drop interface with powerful customization options, preparing your templates has never been easier. A printout is a read-only electronic template containing fields that are already filled with data from your Toolkit account. Printouts can also contain data dictionary codes. The printout editor uses a combination of drag-and-drop data fields and customizable labels to allow you to easily place and identify the different data fields in your template. Let's take a look at how it's done. From anywhere in Signature, navigate to the left and click on Templates. Then select the printout you have uploaded. Then click on Place Fields on the right navigation bar. Click on a data field from the menu on the left and drag it into the editor window. You can drag and resize each field to position it perfectly within your template. Insert a data code from your Toolkit account by adding data dictionary fields. Click the Data Dictionary button to view the full list of selectable data codes so that you can click and drag the data code you wish to insert. And that's it. Managing your printouts is just one of the many exciting features with Signature.